Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we take you on a fascinating tour of what truly defines a luxury home in 2026. From stunning warm contemporary exteriors and light-filled living spaces to designer kitchens, spa-inspired bathrooms, and breathtaking outdoor retreats, you'll discover the latest trends shaping high-end living. More importantly, we explore the deeper reasons behind these design choices. Stay with us until the end to see how luxury has evolved from simply expensive to genuinely meaningful and personal. What does a truly luxurious home actually look like in 2026? Not the luxury of 10 years ago, with its marble on everything, gold hardware, and formal rooms nobody ever sat in. Not the cold minimalism that dominated design feeds for the better part of a decade, where every surface was white and every room felt more like a concept than a place anyone actually lived. The luxury home of right now looks different from both of those things. Warmer, more textured, more personal, more considered. And understanding what is actually driving that shift tells you something genuinely interesting about how Americans have changed in the way they think about the spaces they inhabit. Today, we are taking a full tour. Exterior to interior, facade to bedroom, front gate to the last room at the end of the hallway. And along the way, we are going to talk about not just what these spaces look like, but why they look that way. Because the why is what makes the difference between a house that photographs beautifully and one that actually feels like the best version of a life being lived. Let us start outside because the exterior of a luxury home in 2026 is making a statement that is fundamentally different from what it was making even 5 years ago. The dominant visual language of luxury exteriors right now is what designers are calling warm contemporary. A fusion of clean architectural geometry with natural materials that have inherent texture and color variation. Think large format stone cladding in warm earthy tones, not the cold gray slate of the previous decade, but travertine, limestone, and textured concrete in sand, cream, and warm taupe. Think board and batten siding in deep considered colors, forest green, charcoal, warm black, aged bronze, applied to clean rectangular volumes that have the proportional confidence of serious architecture. Think expansive windows, floor-to-ceiling in the main living areas that make the boundary between inside and outside feel genuinely porous, rather than just visually referenced. According to data from the American Institute of Architects' most recent Home Design Trend Survey, natural materials on exterior facades have seen the most significant increase in specification in 3 years, with stone and textured concrete leading the category. The shift is being driven by something deeper than aesthetic preference. Research on biophilic design, the documented human psychological need for connection with natural materials and forms, consistently shows that buildings clad in natural materials are perceived as more welcoming, more trustworthy, and more conducive to well-being than buildings of comparable size and quality clad in manufactured materials. The luxury buyer of 2026 is not just buying square footage. They are buying a physiological experience that begins before they have even opened the front door. The roofline of the contemporary luxury home has also changed in a way that is worth understanding. The flat or low-slope roof, which was the default for any architect trying to signal modernity for the last 20 years, is being replaced by something with more visual complexity. Cantilevered overhangs that extend dramatically over outdoor living areas, creating covered outdoor rooms that blur the interior-exterior boundary. Mono-pitched shed roofs at varied angles across different volumes of the same house, creating a dynamic skyline when viewed from the street. The roof is no longer an afterthought resolved in the simplest structurally adequate way. It is part of the architectural composition, and in the best examples of current luxury design, it is the element that makes the difference between a house that looks expensive and a house that looks exceptional. The driveway and approach sequence deserve more attention than most house tour content gives them, because the experience of arriving at a home is a form of design in itself. The luxury homes setting the visual conversation right now use the approach as a kind of spatial preparation, a sequence of materials, plantings, and proportional relationships that gradually shifts the visitor's psychological state from the world outside to the world within. Long, straight driveways and poured concrete with a consistent texture that contrasts with the naturalistic planting on either side. Entry gates in patinated steel or blackened iron that are architecturally honest rather than decoratively pretentious. Outdoor lighting at the approach designed for warmth rather than security. Low-level fixtures that illuminate the ground plane and the planting rather than flooding the facade with institutional brightness. The arrival experience at a truly well-designed luxury home should feel like a transition, not just a path. Now let us step through the front door and talk about what is happening on the inside, because this is where the current moment in luxury design gets genuinely interesting, and where most design content fails to explain the deeper reasoning behind what you are seeing. The first thing you notice when you walk into a luxury home that has been designed to the current standard is the quality of the light. Not the fixtures, although those are exceptional. The quality of natural light, how it enters the space, how it moves across surfaces throughout the day, how it changes the perception of volume and material at different times. Serious contemporary luxury homes are designed around daylighting in a way that elevates every other decision. The ceiling heights in the main living volumes are generous, 12 to 16 feet in entry halls and living rooms, which allows clear-story windows and high transoms to bring light into the space from angles that wash surfaces with illumination, rather than creating the flat, directionless light of a standard window at eye level. The entry hall or foyer of the current luxury home is no longer a formal ceremonial space separate from the life of the house. It is a decompression room, a space whose primary function is the transition from outside to inside, from public to private, from the demands of the world to the refuge of home. Generous proportions, natural materials underfoot, usually large format stone tile or wide plank hardwood in a warm, natural tone, a single piece of significant artwork or a dramatic natural material on one wall, and nothing more. The restraint is deliberate. The entry hall earns its luxury through quality of material and quality of space, not through an accumulation of expensive objects. Here's a question worth sitting with as we move through this house. What is the difference between a room that feels expensive and a room that feels luxurious? Because those are not the same thing. A room can be filled with expensive objects and feel cold, busy, and somehow aggressive in its display of wealth. A luxurious room feels different. It feels like a place you want to stay in. It has a quality of ease, of things being exactly as they should be and no more than that. The rooms in the best current luxury homes achieve this through a very specific principle that designers call considered restraint. The idea that every element present was chosen, that nothing is there because it was cheap to fill the space, and that the negative space around objects is as carefully designed as the objects themselves. The main living area of the 2026 luxury home is built around a conversation between two competing impulses that the best designers are currently resolving brilliantly. The impulse toward openness, large volumes, visual connection to the outdoors, a sense of expansiveness that tells the occupant they are not constrained, and the impulse toward intimacy. The creation of defined zones within the larger open plan that feel human in scale and genuinely comfortable for the density of people who actually use them. The solution that has emerged is the zoned open plan, where a large single volume is organized through the strategic placement of furniture groupings, changes in ceiling height, changes in flooring material, and the deliberate placement of vertical elements like bookshelves, screens, and indoor planting that create visual and acoustic separation without physical walls. The materials palette of the luxury living room in 2026 is built on warmth and texture in a way that represents a significant departure from the cold, light-reflective surfaces of the previous design era. Wide plank white oak flooring in a lightly wire-brushed finish that reveals the grain without being aggressively rustic. Plaster walls in warm whites and soft earth tones. Not painted drywall, but genuine plaster or Venetian plaster that has depth and subtle surface variation that changes with the light. Upholstered furniture in natural linen, boucle, and mohair velvets in stone, warm gray, and deep earthy tones. Case goods in oiled walnut, blackened steel, and travertine. The overall impression is of a room that is simultaneously sophisticated and genuinely comfortable. That belongs to a person of refined taste who also actually lives there. The fireplace in the contemporary luxury home has become one of the most architecturally significant elements in the living room, and the current approaches to its design are genuinely worth understanding. The floor-to-ceiling statement fireplace surround, typically in a single slab of dramatic natural stone. Book-matched marble, fluted limestone, large format travertine, anchors the room and provides the vertical element that balances the horizontal emphasis of large windows. The firebox itself is typically linear, spanning 4 to 6 feet, recessed into the wall and fronted with frameless glass that creates a clean, uninterrupted view of the flame. Integrated storage and display on either side in floating walnut or blackened steel complete the composition. This is not a feature for warmth, it is a visual and psychological anchor for the entire room. Now let us move into the kitchen, because the luxury kitchen of 2026 has undergone the most significant design evolution of any room in the house. The white shaker kitchen with marble countertops and subway tile backsplash, which defined aspirational kitchen design for the better part of a decade, has been replaced by something with far more character and far more architectural intention. The current luxury kitchen is built around a combination of custom cabinetry in warm, deeply saturated tones. Deep forest green, aged bronze, warm charcoal, dusty terracotta, paired with countertops and thick slabs of natural stone, typically quartzite or marble with dramatic movement and strong veining, in thicknesses of 2 to 3 inches that read as genuinely substantial rather than cosmetically applied. The backsplash in the best current examples is a continuation of the countertop stone, run floor to ceiling behind the range in a single uninterrupted slab that transforms what was once a practical surface into a focal piece of art. The kitchen island in the luxury home has grown in scale and ambition. It is no longer simply a preparation surface. It is the social center of the home's daily life. Islands in current luxury kitchens run 8 to 12 feet in length, combine 2 different materials, often a stoneworking surface on the cooking side and a warm wood or painted surface on the seating side, and are proportioned to accommodate 6 to 8 people comfortably. The waterfall edge, where the countertop material continues vertically down the end panels of the island, remains a strong visual move when executed in a stone with enough character in the veining to justify the exposure. The integration of concealed storage, appliance garages, and dedicated zones for everything from coffee preparation to wine service within the island design allows the main counter surfaces to remain clear, which is essential to the quality of calm that defines the luxury kitchen experience. Here is something most house tour content never addresses directly: the hidden infrastructure that separates a truly luxury home from a well-designed one. The mechanical systems that allow a home to perform at the level its design promises. Radiant floor heating throughout, which changes not just the comfort level of the spaces but the freedom of the material palette. No baseboards, no forced air registers, no visual compromise required to accommodate the heating system. Whole home audio and lighting control systems that respond to time of day and occupancy in ways that create the right environment for each moment without any conscious management. Integrated humidity control that protects the natural material finishes, the wood, the plaster, the stone, from the damage that unstable conditions create over time. Triple pane windows and fully continuous thermal insulation that make the energy performance of the building as considered as its visual performance. These are the things that the buyer of a true luxury home is paying for, and they are almost entirely invisible, which is exactly the point. The primary suite of the 2026 luxury home has evolved towards something that is less like a grand bedroom and more like a private apartment within the house. The sleeping area itself is generous but focused. The bed, typically a California king or a custom oversized platform on a low stone or wood base, positioned against the wall with the best morning light. Dressed in natural linen and weighted blankets rather than the formal decorative bedding that characterized luxury bedrooms of a previous era. The walls in warm plaster or textured wall covering in deep, enveloping tones, dusty blue, warm mushroom, deep olive, create the sense of a cocoon that is both beautiful and genuinely restful. A sitting area with 2 well-upholstered chairs, a low table, and a reading lamp positioned near the window makes the bedroom a place people actually inhabit during waking hours rather than simply a room they pass through on the way to sleep. The primary bathroom is where the luxury home of 2026 makes its most personal and most considered statement. The wet room, a fully tiled space where the shower is defined by the material change rather than by a glass enclosure, has become the standard in serious contemporary luxury bathrooms. Large format stone tile in warm creams and soft earthy tones, floor to ceiling, creates a room that feels genuinely spa-like. A freestanding soaking tub positioned as the visual focal point, typically in a material, stone, cast iron, concrete, that has weight and presence. Double vanities in warm wood with stone countertops and simple, serious hardware, mirrors in blackened steel or unlacquered brass frames that add warmth to the reflective surfaces. The overall quality of the primary bathroom in a well-designed luxury home is not about the display of expensive materials. It is about the creation of a daily ritual experience that feels genuinely restorative. The outdoor living spaces of the luxury home deserve the same depth of consideration that every interior room receives, and the best examples currently being designed treat them exactly that way. Covered outdoor living rooms with fireplaces, full outdoor kitchens, and furniture of the same quality and comfort as indoor seating. Swimming pools designed as reflecting elements as much as recreational ones. Long, narrow lap pools and dark plaster finishes that mirror the sky and the planting, rather than glowing turquoise in a way that looks more like a water park than a landscape. Planting designed by landscape architects with the same level of intention as the interior design. Species chosen for seasonal interest, for texture, for the quality of light they filter, for the sounds they make in a breeze. The luxury home of 2026 is ultimately defined by a quality that cannot be itemized in any specification document or justified by any cost per square foot. It is the quality of having been designed for the specific human beings who live in it. Their daily rhythms, their preferences, their relationship with light and sound and material, their need for both connection and privacy, their desire to feel both impressed by their space and genuinely at home in it. The homes that achieve this are the ones people never want to leave, the ones that feel like the best version of the life they are living. And that is the standard that the finest contemporary luxury design is reaching for, and not more expensive, but more true. Dear viewer, if you found value in this video, like it and share it with friends and family. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching until the end. We will see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.